Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai layer cake, or in Thai we call Khanom Chan. Khanom Chan is one of my favorite, but I'm gonna change from the Pandan taste to milk tea taste. The first step, we're gonna separate part of the coconut milk to boil with the sugar until sugar is dissolved, and then we continue to mix our flour with remains coconut milk and mix it well. For the ingredients, I will put in the description box below. So we're gonna mix everything together: salt, flour, and all the ingredients. And when it's mixed well, the last step, we're gonna add the coconut milk that we boil with the sugar in finally, and then mix it until it's dissolved. Then we're gonna separate two parts in the same ratio, and once add water and another one add tea to it. Then we're gonna steam the layer. Press a steam pot, fill with the water on the medium heat. Once boiling, carefully press your baking mold inside, close the lid and steam for 5 minutes. And then spread the thin layer of each coconut batter layer. One layer I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon, and then we're gonna steam for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, pour in the next layer and steam for another 5 minutes. Repeat the process until a layer have been steamed and completely full. After that, let it cool down, and then will be easy to remove from the mold. And now is our dessert. This dessert is smell of the coconut, and the texture look like a jelly. It's so delicious. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.